Hello, this is Selena Kraus for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Autumn Impressions stamp and die set. That's part of the Autumn Impressions release. This is 4x6 stamp set, and there are 12 foliage images and 1 sentiment. Also, there are coordinating dies that are sold separately. The sentiment is 1¼ by 3½ inches, and the large leaf cluster is 1½ inches. So let's take a closer look here. I have already stamped and die cut those, and I added them to an A2 piece of colored cardstock, so you can see the size for your reference, how it will look on A2 size card. Now let's take a look at a few samples from our design team. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also visit our blog and our Instagram account for more ideas and inspiration. Bye!